If you find yourself locked out of your Instagram account without an email, phone number, or password, there's still a way to recover it. First, ensure you have your username and that your account is active on Instagram. If your account is disabled or suspended, locate the username by searching account in the search bar. After finding the username, log out of your current account. Now, initiate the recovery process. Try 3 passwords you commonly use. If unsuccessful, click on Forget Password, enter your username, and choose the No Longer Have Access option. Click on Try Another Way, confirm your account, and submit your active email. A 6-digit code will be sent to your email for verification. Once confirmed, complete a selfie video, submit it, and your account should be recoverable within 30 days. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you next time for another exciting tutorial. Until then, happy exploring!